Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to generate app password in Gmail. Now the first thing I want you to do is choose your Gmail account from here at the top right. Basically a Gmail account you want to go ahead and generate an app password for. Now once you've selected that, you can click on the profile icon, click on manage your Google account, and what I want you to do here, I want you to just click on security, and then I want you to hit the search bar right here, search Google account. And I want you to just type in app password, and I want you to choose this one, app passwords under security. Okay, so you click on that, and if you don't have any app passwords generated, it'll actually ask you to create a new app specific password right here, and you type a name for it. So let's just name that authenticator. Okay, and then click on create. So there we go. This is our app password for a device. Just copy this and use it. It's usually 16 digits. And once that is done, you'll see your app password saved here. Okay, and you can delete it anytime as well. Really that easy. And if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.